We have certainly seen some nice resto mods, but this 1967 Mustang with its seductive Eleanor styling is definitely one of the coolest. Fully sorted and ready to hit the road, this awesome Ford combines the stump-pulling power of one of Dearborn's best tuners with vintage Detroit style that's cool enough to lead a parade. A slick 60s icon that features an impressively straight body, this Mustang benefited from a detailed nut and bolt restoration that supplemented solid sheet metal with an aggressive Eleanor kit. Naturally, those curves were dressed in the traditional pepper gray and metallic black war paint of everyone's favorite movie Ford. And today, the car rolls as one head-turning thoroughbred that's right at home reflecting a summertime cruise-in. Swing the doors and you'll find a fully restored cockpit that's been updated with the right amount of style and convenience. Modern buckets join a traditional bench and stretching custom leather under a padded roll bar. And a factory spec dash hangs autometer gauges over controls for modern air conditioning. Lift the hood and you'll find 427 cubic inches of Roush Performance small block that's rated at 550 horsepower. It's backed by a Tremec 5-speed and sends power to a Ford 9-inch with posi-traction. When it comes to maximizing the amount of metal your money buys, you simply cannot go wrong with a purpose-built pony car. Thanks to its thorough restoration, this legendary Ford is a great driving piece that's cool, historic, and fun. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.